today's video because we can finally dress the windows. This has been a project that I have been putting off for so long, partly because I didn't know exactly what direction I wanted to take when it came to what colors I was going to go with. I do love color, but I like color in certain places, and then in others I like to be a little bit more safe. And so I feel like I found a pretty good balance of that. My office is going to be just a place where I can go crazy. I'm going crazy with color and with wallpaper and all of the fun stuff. My room, our room, mine and my husband's room, we are just kind of keeping it very elegant and just airy, beautiful, regal. And so with that, I decided to go with more of a natural linen, and it's kind of a cream color. And I think I'm going to do the same thing for the dining room and the living room, but we're not there yet. The areas that I decided to focus on first and that I purchased curtain rods for were the bedroom, our bathroom, the dressing room, and then the office here. And so Jorge spent like a whole evening hanging up all of those rods for me. And right after this wallpaper right here dried, he put some holes in there and, you know, hung the rods. And I wanted to go with the shears that I've had for years, and I've just had so many of them. And they had this really beautiful Aria stamp on it. That's what it was called. So I don't know what else to call it, but it was kind of like a damask Aria stamp on it. And I thought that, you know, they would look beautiful in here, and then I would just find some curtains to go over them. And when I was searching for rods, I definitely wanted a double rod. Double rods are important to me, to have that, you know, sheer behind and then the curtains in front. I think that that's so pretty. And so anyway, I hung up all of these shears, and then they were sitting like this high above the ground. And mind you, he hung the rods like right above the window, as low as you can go to fit these. At one point I felt that they were long shears because they went to the ceiling of our other home, but not in this house. They are not long at all. So this house has extra high ceilings, and all of it looked funny. And then I just thought, you know, I'm spending money doing this. I don't want to settle. I don't want to settle, especially on something that makes such an impact on a room. And anyway, that day I had also gone to Home Goods, and I found some really beautiful natural linen curtains that were pinched pleats. And I've never used pinched pleat curtains before, but these were just so pretty. And I thought that, you know, this would look great in so many different places. So I got them, I brought them back, hung them up, but they were just pooling so much at the bottom of, you know, on the ground. And it wasn't a very cute pooling either. So, and then on top of carpet, it was a no. And then I started thinking about vacuuming and how difficult that would be, and yeah, it wasn't a very beautiful look to me. So anyway, I asked Jorge if he would mind rehanging those rods higher to fit the curtains that I had purchased, which were they were 108 inches. And so I'm so grateful he said he would. And I mean, what a difference that makes. So they're not to the ceiling, but that's okay. They are significantly higher than the opening of the windows or the, sliding glass door. So anyway, I think that it turned out, it just looks so beautiful, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. What an impact it makes when you walk into the room. It really does bring your eye up. So the other thing that I did was I purchased new shears to replace the ones that don't fit anymore, that aren't long enough. And I purchased these on Amazon, which is the same place that I purchased these blue ones. So at first we had that natural linen, they're kind of creamy in here, and something just felt so off to me about them, especially next to this wallpaper, next to my creamy desk, thinking about painting the built-ins creamy color. It just felt so off. It was just too much cream or something. And so I had Jorge consult ChatGPT to see what the cream curtains would look like blue. And I really liked the way that, it looked. Granted, it wasn't the exact blue that I wanted, but it did help me decide to go on Amazon and look at the colors that they had, look for more pinch pleat curtains. And so I found these, and I thought, okay, well, what will it hurt just to order them? They get here, because most of the time I just want to go shopping in person so that I can see color and know. So anyway, yeah, I just thought once they get here, I can see if it matches the walls properly. And I was trying to get it to match the darker part of the wallpaper, and it matches perfectly. So I am so pleased with them. And I took the time to hang them up today, and I could not be more pleased with the way that these turned out. And then I also washed all of the shears. When you are ready to, put curtains on your windows, to dress your windows, if there's something that you don't like about it, if it's just not feeling right, I would say don't settle. This is something that will likely be there long term. And there are so many different options out there. And, the fact that we can use ChatGPT, for instance, or something like that to help us to visualize what something would look like, I think really helps in the decorating process these days. So I just feel like everything's coming together so beautifully. And speaking of beautiful, this weekend we are supposed to be going over to the house in Cedar to get the furniture that we left there. The house is under contract now, and we have a couple of weeks before it closes, so it's time to get all of the pieces that I've had a lot of time to consider. What do I really want to bring over here? What am I going to use? What do we have space for, etc. And there will be things that I leave there, and the buyers said that anything that we wanted to leave would be welcome. So there are definitely things that I will be leaving there, but also things that I definitely want to bring home here. So I look forward to sharing with you how I'm going to be, continuing the decorating process and just incorporating more of me into the home. So anyway, I really hope that what it was that I shared with you today somehow inspired you. If you are one who loves the series A Dress a Day in May that I've done for a couple of years, I am going to be hosting it over on my new channel, The Ladies Dressing Room. And in the last video that I posted, I spoke about that, and the requirements for it, or what you would need to do, would be in the description box of that video. So if you want to participate in that and submit a photo, because I have a theme going for it, and I really love to include my viewers and the photos that they have, I hope that you will go over there and check that out because it will be so much fun, and I've been having so much fun creating content for that channel over there, and just kind of, you know, taking parts of that away from this channel because I feel like I want to focus more on the home, focus more on decorating, things like that here, and leave the dressing room over in the ladies' dressing room. So anyway, if that interests you, if that was something that you loved that I used to share in the past, I hope that you will join us over there. So anyway, thank you so much for being here with me today. Please let me know in the comments below because I am going to share with you what the cream curtains look like here and what the blue ones look like here. Which did you prefer? And with that, I'm going to leave you here. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.